Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram to Impact account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and show off your Instagram account so that when you apply for brand partnerships, these brands will be able to see your Instagram account. How do you actually go ahead and add that to your Impact account? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first we're going to log on to your Impact account. Then you're going to click on these three dots and then click on Settings. Once you're underneath Settings, you want to click on Media Properties. And then from here on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on Create Media Property and then click on Social and then click on Instagram. Once you click on Instagram, you're going to see a prompt here that you are going to be able to have an Instagram account that is a business or a creator account. And your Instagram account also must be connected to a Facebook page. So click on Continue, and then it's going to go ahead and log you into Facebook. So you're basically at this point going to link your Facebook account to your Impact account, and that's how you connect your Instagram account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Instagram account to Impact. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.